spoken also a lot, and unless it resonates, reverberates us, how can we implement what we are believing? We say that we are doing integral education, and what they have said about integral education. And I must thank him. He was the key person to initiate all these things, and that is still going on. And besides that, every year, sometime 10 days, a concentrated period where they read the original works of the mother Sri Aurobindo in a work camp. And that means every day 4 hours of study
In a school.
in a school, and sometime almost often, but I think every time they do some kind of physical work for hours,
4
which
hours.
is
4 very strenuous work.
4 hours of physical
For the
labor,
school itself.
like building, digging a foundation, or making a pond, or doing something which
Digging
is
a tank.
digging a tank, and 4 hours of study and self-expression for 2 hours. And the 10 days program, it is still running for last 20 years. And that brings the flavor of integral education into our beings, into ourselves, and we do whatever that is possible.
Therefore, friends, we can always make a trial. We cannot guarantee what the result will be. Maaf Padesh. Isn't it?
So when children does some mistakes, how can we make them realize?
When children make any mistake, how can we make them realize it?
Sister, have you never made a mistake?
No, I don't know. I made a mistake, but how can we
Your
do
parents also give sermons,
that? Not punishment.
but they became, you
How-
became something.
How to
Try to have faith. But
That
they
is-
will also become something. Isn't it? Mistakes do not exist. She will tell you. Mistakes, when driven to the extreme, make us into neurotics. Hitler was a neurotic. The so-called idealists, they are neurotic. Isn't it? The Hindutva people, the fundamentalists, they are all neurotic. Why do you take that you are a godly angel?
Mother and Sri Aurobindo have written a lot of things about psychic being. At what age in the children this could be implemented
What is that thing called psychic being?
to know oneself?
How do you know it? Because they have said.
Not anybody has said.
Then
It is that is which is
who gave
vibrating
you the
inside.
concept? Who gave you the concept?
This is from the ages it is going on. Sri
Then
Krishna has
study
said,
him. What they mean by psychic being and what we mean. Go through that. Never he has said, Sri Aurobindo. I should have used that as a last point. You be like me, never. Who will come with me? Very different. Who will climb with me? That means he is also, Guru is also climbing. हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा गुरु देखा है आपने? Was challenged you, come with me, compete with me, grow with me, climb with me. So different. Please don't say that it is Indian or Western. It is universal psychic.
It is the Indian concept that Shishyadi Chet Paraja.
Don't be fascinated by concepts. That will really cheat you. No guru has ever said anywhere in the world, climb with me. Then these mathas won't exist. Isn't it? Very big mathas, especially in South India. All seeds of great spiritual wisdom, ending in idealism. Therefore, please again go through their work, try to understand, discuss. My mother has already said the Western friends will understand. No individual, I really quote her sentences, not even an avatar will save the world. तो बुखार आ जाता है नहीं. Then what does it say? She says only a group. Where is that group in this country? Where is that group in Africa? Where is that group in the USA? I have been teacher in Israel. Where is that group in Israel? Where is that group? Here it is an experiment in working together in a group, isn't it? We are much ahead of them. And why talk of problems, mistakes? You have a better vehicle, start with it. रुखा बन जाता हूँ. No problem. You have a better vehicle, isn't it? Just start it, write it and go on. Come, madam, I am very wonderful. Thank you that you have taught me. That's all.
Thank you so much.
Are you not tired with me?